How to recover your hacked Facebook account. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover your Facebook account if it's been hacked. I'll walk you through how to get it back step by step. Alright, let's get into it. I recommend doing this through a web browser instead of the Facebook app. It's more reliable and gives you better access to recovery tools. Open your browser and type in Facebook account hacked into Google. Scroll past any ads and look for the official Facebook link that says Hacked and Fake Accounts. Click on that, and it'll bring you to a help page. From there, find the link that says facebook.com/hacked. That's the direct tool for account recovery. Open a new tab and type in facebook.com/hacked, then hit enter. You'll land on a page that says, if you're worried about the security of your account, we can help. Choose the option that best matches your situation. For example, someone else got into my account without my permission. Tap on that and hit continue. Now Facebook will guide you through the recovery process. It will start by saying something like, "Hi, let's help secure your account." Click Get Started. At this point, Facebook will walk you through steps like changing your password, reviewing your recent activity like posts, comments, etc., or checking if your email, phone number, or password was changed. Looking for logins from unknown devices. If any suspicious changes are found, Facebook will show them to you and give you a chance to undo them. Next, it'll ask you to create a new password. Make sure it's one you don't use anywhere else. You'll also be asked to confirm the new password and possibly enter your old one if you remember it. After that, Facebook may send a two-factor authentication code to your phone or email to verify it's really you. Once you've gone through all these steps, your account should be fully secured again. And that's how you can recover your hacked Facebook account. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in next one.